Difu is the headquarters of Karbi Anglong East, known for the fastest moving town of Assam under the population of 50,000 to 1 lakh. Due to its scenic beauty, thousands of tourists from across the nation and the globe visits the town, which consequently led to the beautification in certain sections of the town. Will the town see and experience good roads only when VVIPs visit the town? We often witness beautification of retaining walls, dividers and filling of potholes on roads only when there are certain visit of VIP and VVIPs in the town. If this is such the case, will the concerned department and authority of Karbi Anglong just endure the pathetic conditions of roads if there is no visits of any VIP and VVIP at the town? Let us look at this visual. The potholes you see here is not new. This had been there since few months. This is the only road that connects the town with its neighboring towns. All the concerned authorities and representatives of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council also commute through it daily, yet there is no sign of consciousness towards the renovation of the road so far. Hence, can we assume this to be a clear sign of ignorance from the PWD department? The visual you see here is from the heart of the town. This is the condition of the road, covered with potholes in front of District Social Welfare, Rongkhelan, Difu. What led the road into this pathetic condition? Is this a sign showing the incompetence of the concerned authority and ignorance from the concerned department? To those august travelers who choose to take this road at night has a high chance of encountering road mishap due to large potholes present in the middle of road. If such is the condition of the road used by CEM, EMs and MECs of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, we cannot even imagine what would be the conditions of the road in other sections of the districts. The presence of potholes had consequently affected the daily commuters, school children, employees, emergency services and all sorts of vehicles. Therefore, the concerned authority and PWD department should pay utmost attention upon the current situation and initiate the repairing works at the earliest for the convenience of the public. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.